Yeah, well, we have half class in any case. Let me try to find something more. Let's go back again to the program. So this is what I want. Guys, 1 minute.
Is the command in completely my matrix sum?
Yeah, oh no, no, no,
Okay,
no.
there
This
you
this
go.
is
Okay.
this is a name.
Oh,
No,
that's the name.
this is a name.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, this is the name of your function. Let's just call it like that. Do you see my MATLAB, right? Okay. So I will pause recording for a minute. Okay. So I created this matrix, guys. See my matrix sum, A and B. So I will have two matrices. The problem when we have in linear algebra, guys, is that dimensions matter a lot. Do you agree? So if we want to sum, the dimensions of A must be exactly the same as the dimensions of B. So this means that rows of A must be equal to the rows of B, columns of A must be equal to the columns of B. Okay? And so this is what I have here in this MATLAB code. What I'm doing is I'm selecting what is the size of A. So it will check first the sizes of the matrices. Size Mn is going to be the size of A. So I have number of rows, number of columns. And the same for B. Number of rows, number of columns. And this is something that I need to show you guys. This is an if statement. The if statement is always if, there is else, okay? But let's go with the simple one is if and end. If goes with a condition. So my condition here is what, guys? Is that if my number of rows are not equal, or my number of columns are not equal, so I have a mistake here. Do you agree? So this is another command in MATLAB when you do, it's useful when you do programs. You simply write error and the message. In this case, my error message is going to be matrices are not conformable and simply collapses. It ends the program. Got it? So let's do A and B. So I told you A was going to be equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. And B equals 11, 12, 13, 14. No, 11, 13, 15, 17. I don't know what I get this numbers. 11, 13, 15, and 17. Got it? So now if I want to run my matrix, my function, I simply call this one here. I have A and B, and it should return C. Do you see? Works? Now let's take a look to what happens if I introduce another matrix. Let's call V, but I will add, I don't know, 21, 23. Simply I'm adding my matrix V now is not going to be conformable with my matrix A, correct? Agree, guys? A, B. So if I try to sum these two matrices, I need to have an error, and the program should stop. And you see this message here, guys, is the one that you wrote. How do you do that? Is this one here. Error, and whatever you write here, MATLAB is simply going to tell the one that is running your program there is a mistake here. And you try to be as explicit as possible for someone that is not knowing. Don't simply say an error. Metrics, you need to be explicit. Make sense?
Yes. Do you mind scrolling up briefly for a second so I could get the
Oh, that's it.
Oh, I'm in the little B, so I could copy it.
Oh, yeah,
Like,
yeah.
yeah.
Little b is this one here.
Okay. Okay, got it. And then second, do you mind going back to paint really briefly? Thank you.
To what? Ah, to paint.
Paint.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
10, 11, 12, 13. And then C is that's
Oh,
what we
C
should
is
have
the
got as
result. C is the
okay, C is the
result.
result. Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay, makes sense to you? So we have started to use the if command. Next week is going to be all the loops. It's extremely useful. And Excel. So, and after that, guys, my work is almost over. Then I will start simply doing small things, and then you want to start programming. Make sense? Okay. Now, can you please open your Word document? I send you a Word document that has a file that says calling or linking programs. Okay. So this is useful, guys, to make your program cleaner. Okay. If you have functions that repeat, the best thing to do is to create another function. Okay, that is going to be called by the main function, but makes your program cleaner. Got it? So basically, what I will show you, can you copy all this one here, guys? The first function, I think it goes to up to D. Just copy in a new M file and name it like it is here, census data analysis 23. And let's go step by step so you can understand what is going on. So first create your functions. This one here, copy this one here. This is one function. And let's go and understand what is happening. Okay, 1 minute to do that. Just create an M file, copy in the M file. That's all. One minute, guys, in order to continue. Are you with me, guys? Yep. So let's take a look to this program and how this works. This is data that I created. It's very similar to the one that we created, guys. So we have age and gender. Agree? So if you do you remember, if I want to run this step by step, I simply click, let's say in the 23rd row in a MATLAB program. Do you have the exact number of rows like me, guys? Can you verify? The 23rd row is this one here, males equals gender selector. Yep. Okay, excellent. So let's run up to there. Because I have the data here, so I can run this directly from here. Run. Then MATLAB is going to stop here. So the only thing that I have here is X. And take a look to X. So I need to understand. So my IDs are in the rows, age is in rows, and gender is also in rows. Okay, it's not a column, it's more oriented as a row vector, row matrix. Do you agree? Now, for example, I just want to select what is 0 and what is 1. So let me see. Yeah, 1 is age, gender, 0 if male, 1 if female, okay? And 3 years of education. So that's what we have. Age, years of education, and gender. Got it? That's the information that I have. So now my questions are going to be the following. How do I select males? How do I select females? Tell me one thing, guys. The only thing that changes here is the gender, right? I can do this program, guys. I can do the select males. I can do it here. I can do select females. But you see that there's going to be a kind of redundancy because the code is exactly the same. The only thing that changes is the gender. So that's why instead of creating a program inside this main program just to keep it smooth and simple, what I have done is I have created another function that is called gender selector 23. And this gender selector 23, I send this to you also. If you go to secondary programs, gender selector, can you copy this one here? Open a new function and just copy this one here. Do you have it? Okay. So now let's go. Can you open your gender selector and just click on 5? Let's go to your main program. And what this one here is going to be doing is going to be calling your function. And it's going to be providing X. And this 0 equals what, guys? Gender. Do you agree? So what this gender selector is going to be doing is going to give you the males. So this is from X select just I want the men's or men. Let's continue. And then take a look to what's happening in my auxiliary function. I have the data and I have the gender. And then what I'm doing here is, okay, gender data is going to be my output. It's going to be select from data, all rows, find from data 3, that is data 3 is my third row, represents my gender, equals gender. Do you see? This is a variable now. And who determines the gender? The main program. In this case, gender has been selected by 0. So what I will do is it will pick up only the males in my file. Make sense to you guys? Okay, so let's run that one and then let me stop at females. Now, So I have my males. You see all of them 0, 0, 0, 0. And now you see the function is exactly the same, but the only thing that changes is the gender. So this is what I'm telling to you guys. You can put this program, sorry. You can put this program if you want in here, line by line, but it's useless because if something repeats, it's better to have it as an independent function. Remember that, independent function, that's what you want. Make sense to you guys? Okay? So if I continue running this stuff, yeah, I don't need this. It goes to the same program. Now I have males and females. Okay, guys, can you complete your files? You have 3 additional functions and verify that all of them work. So I have created an age selector. Simply take a look to what is this age selector does. And let's stop here. Age selector, you see, I use this 3 times. One is select those okay to drink, not okay to drink, select all males okay to drink, select all females okay to drink. And you can see it's the same function for all of them. Can you please copy your age selector that you have in the Word document? Age selector, where is that? Here. And let's take a look to this together. Because I have another function here that is the if, else, and end command. Can you please copy? Create your program that is going to be called age selector 23. You tell me when you have it.
Hi, Professor. Quick question on the original program itself. I tried to run it. I originally went up to 23 like you. Let me restart. I went up to 27, but it doesn't generate males in my data set, like on the data that I have. Yeah, it doesn't do that. And I've already put everything in the same directory
Directory and
folder.
everything.
Yeah.
Can
Yeah.
you show me your screen? Let
Yeah,
me
sure.
stop this for 1 second. Continue recording. Okay, so now let's take a look to the famous age selector because it appears that it does more things. Do you agree? 0 is going to be not drink, 1 is okay to drink. Okay, that's easy. So, okay, drink is 1, no drink is 0. But now what I'm doing is selecting all males that are okay to drink. So what I'm doing is basically the matrix that I created as males, this is going to be my new input. And I'm simply telling okay to drink. You see that, guys? It's the exact same command. Sorry, same function. Got it? So imagine if you want to repeat and take a look to age selector. Yes. Now, age selector is like that. Imagine adding these 4 rows every time that you want to do that. Can you imagine your program, how heavy it's going to be doing, how heavy it's going to be? That's the beauty about having small programs that you repeat several times. Just have a line. Send the data to that program. That program returns results only, outputs. So that's what I mean for that. So I receive data. Oh, I haven't run this 1 second. Let me go to census. Yeah, and let me stop this one here. Let's say here. Okay, I will stop here. Let me go back to my main program. And let me continue. Here we go. So I have the data. This data can be all the data, can be only males, can be only females, whatever you want. And the input that I need is my indicator is 1. So 1 is, I define it here. If this is the structure, guys, that is called if and else and end. Okay, so this works in this way. If condition 1, else, if this condition 1 is not satisfied, you do this stuff and then you close. Now, indeed, the command, guys, it is if else if you have a second condition, else if you have a third condition, etc. The previous to the last condition, sorry, the last condition is always else. Make sense to you? And then you end with an end. So in this case, I have only two conditions: is if in equals 0, so I know that this is not okay to drink. My condition is going to be less than 21. If the indicator is 1, this is okay to drink. Simply, it's going to select the data that is older than 21 years old. Make sense to everyone? Okay, so we can continue running. Let's move this one here and let's go age selector up to here, gender selector. Let's continue running. I have the females not okay to drink. Makes sense or not? ID number 1, this female is 18 years old and is a female. The second one, sorry, 8th position is also a female, 17 years old. Males okay to drink. Oh, I only have one. Position 3, 22 years old, and 0 that represents men. Got it? So in my matrix, guys, what I have done is I have added the years of education. So remember, this is inefficient because you want the program to be able to read this type of information. But in this program, just to show you, I added years of education. So two types of education: higher education, smaller or equal than how do you call it, 12, and grad education, more than 12 years of education. Okay, so I have created X and Y. What I'm doing here, guys, is appending these years of education, right? This is an additional row. So we can take a look to what is happening here. So let's continue. Take a look to your new, move, to X2. X2 now has ID, what was that? Age, gender, and now years of education. Make sense? So we have these 4 pieces of information. Now, can you take a look? Can you go to Edu Selector 23, please, guys? You have this in Word. Open your new file. I think it's the last one. Yes. So this is the last one. Can you open your new file that is going to be called Edu Selector Education Selector 23 in MATLAB? Make sense? Okay. So now everything is the same. I use this one here. I go back to gender selector, etc. So let's stop here. Can you stop at D? Remember, D is not part of the program. It simply allows me to stop in the code. And then let's run the code and let's see what do we get. Okay, guys, questions? It's clear? So this is the way you call functions between functions or within functions. Simplifies your code, makes it more robust, and then if you have issues, you can, just go to the small programs and see where the problems are. Any questions?
I'm running into an error under gender selector and then male grad. So I'm looking at gender selector right now, but I haven't touched anything. So what would you
Yes.
suggest?
Wait a second. Where are you? Where are you? Where is remember? This is good to check for mistakes, guys,
Yeah.
because we're always going to find. Okay, so where up to where? Can you show me your screen, guys? This is
Yeah.
a good example of checking where do you have problems and how do you solve them. Okay, can you please share your screen?
Yes, I have shared it again. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So
So wait a second. So you have yes, perfect. Let me no. We need to read
should
in the command window.
okay.
Yeah, I
Okay.
just want to see where
So this
the
is
error appears. We'll go up.
line 5 in gender selector and then
Okay, wait a second. So index position one exists one. Data gender equals gender. Maybe from. So okay, let's go to where appears gender selector in your
yeah,
main program first. Where this
find.
appears. No.
Oh,
Go
sorry.
to your main and
Yeah.
look for the first time it appears gender selector.
Okay. Gender selector appears first time it's right here.
Yeah, okay. So click on 20 and 23. Oh, but we did this
Yeah, we
before.
fixed yeah. That's what I'm curious about because it worked before until I went up to 74.
Oh, can you go down, go back, down? No, you have 74. Okay, okay. Go to 23, go 23. No.
Okay.
Yeah, because that's
This
weird.
is third,
Gender,
yeah.
gender, go down. There is another time that we use gender selector, I think. Yes.
Gender selector here.
Yes. Can you stop there?
Okay, 44.
44,
Okay.
run.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so gender select. Can you take a hover on the not okay to drink? No, in
Oh.
the
Oh,
input.
okay, yeah. Yeah. That's I was looking at this before. I was concerned I didn't match.
Wait a second. So not okay to drink. So you have a lot not okay to drink. Wait a second. Why is that?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
No, this is not good. No. Um, not okay to drink. Yeah, this is okay. Not okay to drink is okay.
Yeah. And
17.
then
Okay, so this is good. Not okay to
yeah,
drink is good. Can you go males okay to drink?
I don't
Yeah,
believe
it
that
can
matches
be.
you.
It can
Yeah.
be. Okay, continue. A little down.
Okay. Um, this one's big.
Yeah, they're all females and not okay to drink. Yeah, appears okay too. That's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then we stopped here.
Yeah, but can you go not okay the argument, input argument in 44,
Yeah.
row 44,
Yeah.
input argument, input.
Type it in.
No.
No.
In the
Oh,
yes,
the okay, yeah.
yes.
Not okay drink.
Yeah, that's okay. And one.
And one. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, run. Can you stop at 48? And no, I read at 48 and run.
Okay.
No, before you run, click
Yeah.
on 48.
Pretty okay.
Yep, and run.
Okay.
Continue.
Yeah.
Can you check females no okay to drink because it is
Okay.
okay up to there.
Females not okay to
Yeah,
drink.
the we're
And
okay. Continue.
yeah. This is fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
can you? Yeah, let's do edu selector now. Can you go to 658, 58?
58.
Because
Okay.
that's where we have another one. Yeah, enter.
Tick off.
See,
Okay.
continue.
Okay. Male grad.
Okay, so now grad ed, can you? Yeah, grad ed
Yeah.
is okay.
Okay. Okay.
Can you go 61?
Okay.
Run. That was very interesting.
Oh, okay. There you go. I just hit the error again. Grad ed
Okay,
0. Yeah.
okay. Okay, eliminate all the red ones
Yeah. And
and
just
just go
run.
to 58. Yeah, no.
Okay.
Go to
Just go to
the,
58. Okay.
yeah, where the problem is. Yes. Okay, go.
Okay.
Okay, go to H gender selector 23, the program.
The very first one. Oh,
No,
the
no, to the
program
program.
itself. Yeah.
Yes. Now click on 5.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, now run the program. Need to go to the main. Yeah,
Go to
run,
the main one and then run both.
run.
Okay.
Okay,
Cool.
so now see the data,
Mm.
the input. No. Go to the, no. Go to
Oh,
the,
gender select.
because now we need to check what is going on here.
Yeah.
DAT, that, what is that? The
See.
input, go to the main function. Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah.
It says find data 3. Oh, we don't have data 3. It doesn't have three rows. That's
Oh,
interesting.
I copy pasted it from you.
Wait a second. So this
Yeah.
is data third row, everything gender.
Thing is, yeah.
Guys, we don't have this problem, right? Can you check? Someone can help me with that DAT. Go back to the main program, please.
Yeah.
Census. Someone can give me the run up to, no, go down,
Yeah. Run up
down.
to 58.
Yeah,
Yeah.
can you check what is grad ed? Yeah, because grad ed it only has one. Wait a second. I need your help, guys. Can you go to 55? Run. Are you running up to 58? Guys, I need to be sure that everyone is running. Otherwise, you're going to find the same mistakes and we're going to be in troubles. Someone can check grad ed. What is the dimension? So let me go 50. What do we said? 50. Okay, so let me. No, that's interesting. X2. Edu selector X2. Yeah, there is something wrong in your edu selector, definitely, because uh, grad ed is a 4 times 3. Can you go to your higher ed? What do you have in your higher ed? 52. 52. Yeah, higher ed. 52. No, 52. Just no. Hover it on higher ed. No, I think you're running. No, I think your problem is not the gender data. Your problem is the edu selector. Can you check edu selector, please, for a minute? Yeah, so this is okay. Can you stop and run again? I want to check because you have an issue with your guys. I need you. Have you run this program, everyone? You haven't. Come on, guys. You need to run. Otherwise, we're gonna be in, I don't know. I need your help, and then you're not
I
helping.
encountered the same problem. I encountered the same problem.
Okay, so if you have the same problem, you need to go back. You need to go with me. Okay, so let me show you my screen.
Okay. Do you want me to stop? I
Yes,
can
please.
stop.
I will, and you do this with me one by one. Okay, guys. If you don't run the programs here, we are gonna be in troubles later. You're gonna be in troubles because this is gonna get complicated. If you don't find the mistakes right now, you're gonna be in troubles later, guys. I'm telling you, you're gonna invest hours looking for a stupid mistake. So let's go back into, let me run and then you go with me, okay? So I think that let's stop, where is let's stop at 47. Can you stop at 47? Let's run together. Now, do you see males like that? It's 3 times 4.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Everyone. Everyone gets this. Males is a 3 times 4.
Yes.
Okay, perfect. So let's go to the females. Females is a 3 times 3, 6. 3 times 6. Yes? Okay, perfect. So up to there, we're okay. Okay, drink. Sorry, no, yeah, okay, drink is a 3 times 5. Looks like this. Otherwise, we have an issue in H selector. Do you have that?
No, I get a 0 by 10.
Okay, so
Yeah.
here we have the problem. So let's go back, stop, and let's go up to 32. So is X like that? Is a complete matrix? Guys, yes? Yes. Okay, so let's go to H selector. Okay, so can we stop here? Run the program, go back to your main program. No, not this one. Sorry, I need to move this stuff. Yeah, so continue running. And now I'm in here. You are here. You're that, and you're int. You are here with me in the H selector 23.
Yes.
Okay, so find that. So all it says returns all rows. So my index is 1. So we are going to be here.
I found it. The reason is because we have the colon as the columns, but you have it for the first one, age data. You have the colons for rows, but it's flipped here in that first line, in that line 6.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, so I give you what? But I copied this from. Where is this one here? This is H. What was the code? Oh, you're
Yeah.
right.
Yeah.
This is wrong. Guys, this is wrong. Good. So this is like that. Can you check? Can you modify your? Let me save this one also. Oh, this is interesting. How this happened? Okay, take a look to your H selector, guys. It should be like this. Can you check your code? Everyone? So the semicolon should go first because I want all the rows. Make sense? Okay, so now can you please continue running. Yeah, go back again to your save your new code, and then just run everything up to D because I believe that's the issue. Run everything again. Are you able to run everything without errors?
No, it still returns you the same errors. Can you go over your gender selector and then your education selector,
Yes,
maybe?
yes.
Thank
So
you.
let's go to gender selector, and perhaps there is another, gender selector like this. Perhaps it's the same. Let me check.
This one is fine. Like this one matches yours.
Wait. Gender selector is okay, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take a look to the other one. H
Age
selector,
selector.
this is the one that we
This is
have
when we
checked.
fifth, and then education selector.
I think it's the education one that's causing the issues also.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah, it's reversed again in
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
first one.
oh my. This is education selector. Where is education selector here? Gender selector, education selector. Yeah. I don't know why this happened. I just copied this from from MATLAB for you. Huh, interesting. Okay. Can you check your MATLAB code again? Can you run this stuff? Let's go to the main program. And let's run this stuff. You should be able to stop at D, and then we can compare some of the results.
Sorry, do you mind going back to gender selector again? It's
Yes,
giving me
yes,
two
yes.
new errors. Yeah.
Gender selector. Here we are.
Yes. Okay. And okay.
This is weird.
Yeah.
You have the exact same or not?
Yeah, I do. And it says unrecognized function or variable in gender selector now. And then I have a
Wait.
new error in line 72, which I think ties into gender selector
Yeah, but
again.
wait a second. So where do you have the first problem?
The first one is not assigned to anything. It just says unrecognized function or variable gender selector. I
Oh,
guess that
because
might
we don't have gender selector. It's a gender selector
23.
23. Exactly.
Okay. Okay. Let's see where that is. And then I think that should resolve the last one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's line 72 doesn't have, yeah. Okay.
Oh, this one here doesn't have the 23.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so this
Then
should
it's
be
then it ran.
okay. Let's run. Yep. Guys, do you have it? Okay.
That returns as an all like this 4 by 0 again.
No, I have 4 by 2.
Okay. So I think that might be something on my end. I'll keep looking for other gender selector.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So gender selector, select all the ones should be 23, guys. Okay. 23, 23, 23, 23, 23, 23. Yeah, should work, should work. Okay. Okay, guys. So this is the world of programming. So you're gonna find mistakes, but it doesn't matter. You need to find where the mistakes are. Normally you do that. You do the red, 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 and then you try to find where is the logic and then try to make sense of everything. Okay, guys. So you have now as I think homework number 3 also. You're gonna be able to work homework number 3 half. Okay. Next class, we're going to work with loops. So we're going to have 4 loops. We're going to finish if loops, while loops. And then we do, there's going to be a kind of intense matrix manipulations. Linear algebra. Very quickly, we're going to have a 1-hour linear algebra because we need that for regression analysis and dynamics and all this stuff. So it's going to be just eigenvalues, eigenvectors, all this stuff that is very common, but I will give you an insight with MATLAB, okay? And from that, guys, you're going to be able to build your own OLS model for the next week. Got it? So we are okay. So we can stop here for today. You have questions, guys?
Do you mind just before we go showing the I want to take
Yes.
a screenshot of it so I can workshop it later. Just line 74, like hovering over the female grade.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, all female.
Definitely,
Yes, thank you.
72, this one.
Yes.
Wait a second. Oh, yeah, I stop it. Give me
Okay.
now. Oh, value sign to, wait a second. So I need to run this again. Give me 1 second. I will run this again. Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna screenshot this.
Yep.
Because I still get zeros. All right. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys. Go next.
Sorry,
Yes.
I also got zeros, like 4 times zeros, like Lawrence.
Okay, you know what? We can check this very quickly. Okay, can you go to HS okay drink, you have 4 times 3?
Oh, 4 times.
No, I have a 4 times 1.
No, so there is H selector then. This gender selector, no, but this is a. Okay, let's go higher ed. Do you have this something like this? It's a 4 times
Let's see.
7?
Higher ed is a 4. Higher ed just in general. No, I have a 4 by 7.
4 by,
Oh,
yeah,
4
4
by
by
3, 4 by
7.
3. Sorry, 4 by 3. 4 by 3.
Higher education, higher ed.
Yeah, it's 4 by 3.
Okay, so, okay, I assume up to here we're okay. Females not okay, drink 2.
No,
3.
3 by 1.
What?
Yeah.
Wait a second. So are we working with this data set here? Can you check the data?
Let's see, X. It's a
Is this
3
the
by
data?
6, right?
The data is the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do one by one. Males, do you see this one here?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Okay, so a gender selector is, yeah, females.
1, 4, 6. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, so, okay, drink H.
Empty.
Oh, H selector then. H
So
selector
weird.
23. So let's go H selector 23.
Okay.
Did
H.
your H selector looks like this? It's called H selector 23 and looks like this.
Yes, it does. Yeah.
H selector, give me 1 second. 23 looks like that, right? So we're
Yeah.
okay. It's exactly the same.
I'm gonna check again, but I believe so. Zero H data. Yeah, it's exactly the same.
Okay, so we
Oh,
have.
sorry, not the same.
Oh,
Oh,
where is it? I might be missing it
okay.
too.
Yeah, inside of the DAT,
Mhm.
we have yeah,
Oh,
it's
it's
hard.
flipped.
Oh my gosh,
So weird. Okay.
this is weird. I just copied this one from the same code. I really don't get it. Should be like this, okay? Okay, can you verify that? Okay, so let me check edu data also then. For and everything. Also the edu is for and everything.
Mm,
The education selector, guys, is also for, not is for. Can you verify that?
yes. Yeah, I've just switched it myself. Yeah.
Yeah, everyone have switched it. I will send you in any case all this code again, okay? But just to be sure. But I want you to run with me. Okay, so can you run again everything and run and check if this goes in this way? Gender is okay. Age, we have changed that. Edu selector. Oh yeah, we changed that. Yeah, we should be okay now. Can you verify that? Can you run everything and then let's take a look to this one? Someone?
Let's see. Let's see. All females grad ed should be a 4 by 2.
4 by 2, yes.
Yes. Yeah. Got it.
Yes. You got it, Siki? 2?
Yes.
Karina?
Yeah,
Perfect.
I got it.
Bafana?
Yes, Prof.
Excellent. Okay, guys, we're done.
Yes, thank you.
Finally,
Yeah.
shouldn't have been like that. I don't know. It's really strange for me because I just copy paste this from MATLAB to Word. I don't know. Okay, guys. So see you in a couple of days. You have all the material. I will try to, hopefully tomorrow I get the recording, so I will upload them and then I share this with you.
Okay. Homework
Okay.
2,
Okay.
homework 2 Wednesday, homework 3.
Normally, all the homeworks are for this week are for next week, for
Okay,
Monday.
got it.
So you
All
can
right.
practice, but
Okay.
normally it's for next Monday.
Okay, thank you.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, guys. So
Yes,
we see
thank
you
you.
on Wednesday.
Yes, thank you.
Take care.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye bye.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Bye. Good
Take
night.
care.
Thank you. Hi, Prof.
Hey, Fana, give me 1 second. Let
Hi.
me stop
Okay.
recording.